So today we'd like to show you how to export all the detail from your Shopify Markets catalog using Ablestar Bulk Editor. You can either go to the export data screen and download all of the data from your store, or you could do a smaller filter so it's a quicker export for you. So I've filtered down from my products just a few products that I would like to export. And if you click export button here, it'll take you to the same screen as the export data nav menu. And you'll specify which CSV file or format you'd like to use. And then I like to specify the first column as the product ID. You can choose what you'd like there. And I use the shortcut for my keyboard, the Command or Control F, so that I can find the market section more quickly, since this is a pretty long page. And you can choose which market data you'd like to export. And then you can also specify any other data here too. One thing you want to make sure is that you're synced up correctly, that all of your Shopify Market data is synced. And if you're not sure how to do that, click in the description field and there's a knowledge base article for you there. And once you have your columns specified, we're going to generate spreadsheet. And you'll see that it's in progress. This one is going to go pretty quickly because I had a smaller set of data. And then all you have to do at this point is download to your local machine. And that's it. And then you can use any editing software you'd like to use for spreadsheets from there.